Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome at this YouTube channel. I hope you are well. So I think that what are you doing? Today I am happy and we are going to make this video because I am making, I think that our face are coming clean because who I have made my video, everything is black of my camera, but in this video I think that I would sign something. So I think that people don't get see your plan, only see your result, and constantly keep them guessing and constantly keep them guessing. I think as if you are doing something, so do something hard and get yourself who you want. I think that you can do anything. You should not think something wrong about yourself. You have to do only till that you cannot get better in your life. More repeat over familiarity with the public attract disrespect. So you must know. Less more hate drama, toxicity from the public. What are you doing and how you are doing? People don't know about to you. I think as it help you more, it help you gain inner peace and genuine happiness without seeking for validation. I want to do something practice, so I want to know how we have to do something better of myself, and I want to gain something better. So I hope you will do. When you are keeping private yourself, people don't know that what are you doing and how you are doing. Someone are confusing add to you where and when you would attack at the start. So someone you have to more trust, especially because they want to know your personal life, what are you doing and how are you doing. So you don't have to depend on another people to be happy. I think that what are you doing, if you would get better people with around yourself. I think what are you thinking, what are you doing and how you can reach your ambition in your life. I think that lot of struggle behind of a successful person they do, but someone says that it is your destiny and who you reach here. So they don't know, they would not see your struggle, they would not see how you much doing struggle, how much you doing hard working for your career, for your passion, for your ambition in your life. Only someone say it is your destiny, it is your fortunate. Unfortunately, when we are living something and we don't get there, so people would think that about myself. It is good, it is well, it is good. I think you don't have to depend on other to be happy. It help you from mental health. So someone trust to you more, they want to know about your personal life, what are you doing and how you are doing. So you should know that about himself and you can do better. People cannot use your weakness against you. You should know some fact about of people, what they are doing and what they are thinking about to you. I think that you focus on your purpose, passion and good relation in your life, and other thing that matter most, and other thing that matter most in the life without constant distraction. Your self confidence increase, you are making role of people when you are doing something else. I think that if you are keeping private yourself, and it is different of secretive, it is different being of secretive. I think it help you, so please seeking keep it. And thank you guys watching this video. I hope you will do better in your life and you should try to do something new. I think that what we are thinking, what we are doing, if we would do as what people would think about myself, I think that if we would think as what people would think, I think that what we have to do, we must do. We don't have to see about the people, because people have thinking about to you. So only you have to do work, only you have to focus your purpose, passion and good relation in your life, because you have to make a role between of people. You should know that what are you doing, how you are doing. So I think that you have a good resources, only you must use it, you must being use it. आपको इसे प्रयोग करना आना चाहिए. what are you doing, and यदि आप सोच रहे हैं, if you are thinking lot of think about of people, so I think you are doing better, because if you would think, यदि आप सोचेंगे तभी आप कुछ कर पाएंगे. if you would think, I think that you would do something better. So thank you guys, and meet in the next video, next topic. I think guys, what we know, I am keeping off my thoughts, I am keeping off my thinking, what I am thinking, what I am keeping about of people. So love you.